Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. It's going to be just Freaky Friday. I just got to jump in. The fish tacos with the slaw that I made last night for myself, the fish was fine. Yeah. The slaw, on the other hand, wow. Super simple. Great ingredients. I couldn't stop eating it. After I finished my fish tacos, I ate the rest of the bowl of the slaw itself. It's very good. Oh. Yeah. Before I get into what I'm cooking for myself for this evening, I was watching the news, Channel 3, and they were talking about the Asparagus Festival, which is a big deal. I'd go. So the reporter tasted asparagus ice cream, which the fair is known for. That festival is known for their asparagus ice cream. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up, because they say it tastes like a garden. What does a garden taste like? Is it a salad? Is it slaw? How does a garden taste? Ponder that. Okay, tonight I'm going to be preparing Hawaiian Style Teriyaki Chicken. Now, the recipe is technically written to turn it and cook the chicken on the grill. No, not how I'm doing it. I'm actually going to do this in the wok and using basically with their sauce, their teriyaki sauce, as the sauce. So, because they want to use it as a marinade and, no. I'm the casual chef. My kitchen, my rules. Let's show you. Got the rice hardware over there. The wok is out. That's what, twice this week? We got some chicken. That's chicken thighs, kosher salt, black pepper, some olive oil for the wok. Guess I use olive oil. Brown sugar, garlic, ginger, low sodium soy sauce, the cornstarch, the pineapple chunks, and some pineapple juice, just in case I don't have enough in the actual small can. The sad green onions, I will be going to the store before I prep and replace these. And of course, I'm having that over white rice. So yeah, simple meal. I'm probably going to add an onion to this, and maybe I got one zucchini left from Wednesday. I'll cut that up, get that in there so I'm not wasting it. So another story I saw in the news this morning. This is really going to gross you out. I'm sorry, it's early in the morning. There's a company in the UK. I think they're partnered with somebody here in the United States. But the funding is basically coming from a corporation in the United Kingdom. They're turning chicken feathers into meat-like substance. I won't touch meatless meat now. And you want... no. Yeah. All right. Something else to ponder. On this Freaky Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.